How do you know if this dialog box is resizable? It's the 3 dots in the lower right-hand corner, right? Before we get started, I just want you to think about this. Which dialog box in Excel would you love to be resizable? I mean, I don't know. If I had to choose one, maybe define name or something like that. So I was recording a super long video, and you know, like here I'm gonna open the filter dropdown and see those 3 dots right there, those 3 dots. That means, hey, you can grab those 3 dots and resize this bad boy, right? So I love when I see the 3 dots, right? Because it means I can make it as large as I want. And I was showing how to hook a slicer up to several pivot tables. I knew there's 7 pivot tables here. So report connections really annoyed me. I'm only seeing 3 at a time. And I said, boy, it sure would be nice if I could resize this thing. But there's no 3 dots. Yeah, we're just... What? Did you see that? Did you see that? What the fuck? I'm allowed to resize this thing. And there's no 3 dots. Now it makes me wonder if everything is resizable, even though there's no 3 dots. Like here, let's go back into this pivot table. Go to pivot table analyze. Go to filter connections. This has to be the same error as the slicer connections. It's resizable. What? Did you know this? Let's go to formulas. Define name. All right. Now look at that. That's 2 diagonal lines down there, which means I'm allowed to resize left and right, and up and down. What the? What's another one? Alt DL for data validation. There is nothing there. All right. Name manager. This one has 2 slash lines, and I can resize that. How about home? Conditional formatting, new rule. This one is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little dots down there, which means I can go left and right, but not up and down. I really thought I knew Excel, all right? Look for the 3 dots and you know resizes. No 3 dots, you're not able to resize it, but maybe they're all resizable. Well, not all of them, but maybe the ones that are really annoying you are resizable. Go back to the one that you answered here at the beginning and just open that and see if it's resizable. Let me know that down in the YouTube comments. What else have they made resizable without any of the 3 dots to the lower right-hand corner of the dialog box? I learn new stuff all the time in Excel, but this is one that really surprises me. I really thought you had to see those 3 dots, or maybe the 2 diagonal lines, or something in the lower right-hand corner to let you know that that dialog box is resizable. Who's making these resizable without adding the 3 dots? Hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast.